Hello everyone, EGO here. Today we are going to repair the turn signal lights of this van. The quickest way to find out which lights are not working is to turn on hazard. Let's go then and find out. Here, the front signal lights are working, but at the back, nothing happens. Let's go then and fix the issue, and I'll show you how, step by step, on this video. To start the repair, I am removing the taillights assembly by removing these two screws. Then unplug it from the harness. It's difficult to unplug because there's a lock. I have to use a flat screwdriver to push the lock in. I also remove the other one outside this video. And here shows the two taillights assemblies. Let's check this left assembly first. The turn signal light is inside this yellow enclosure. You need to twist and turn this light bulb container counterclockwise to detach. The problem is caused by a burnt out bulb and it turned black in color. Now let's check the right tail lights assembly. This is also a burnt out bulb and it turned white. So just by looking, it is obvious the problem is caused by burnt out bulbs. And of course, replacing them fixed the problem. So are there any more tests to be done if you ask me? Yes, and that I can show you. To test the bulbs using a multi-tester, set the ohmmeter range to times 1. A good signal light bulb reads about 1 ohm, while a bad one has no reading at all. Let me also show you how to test the connection. First, remove the light bulb containers by cutting the wires. Then plug the tail light assemblies back on the car. To test the left turn signal, set your analog tester to 50 volts DC range. Connect the red probe to the green terminal and the black probe to the black terminal. Turn the hazard on and check for a pulse voltage reading. Now I'm connecting the light bulb containers back. Here I'm testing the replacement bulbs. They are 12 volts, 21 watts, standard signal light bulbs for cars. and the resistance reading is 1 ohm for working bulb. And now I'm installing the replacement bulbs.